Wow, what a beautiful apple tree. It's serving the apples to rabbits, squirrels, birds, children and everyone. I wish I could be a big tree too, but I don't know how. Oh, who is this boy? Where is he taking me? Oh no, he's going to keep me inside the soil. I'm scared. It's all darkness around. Oh, the sun! I feel warm. The rain. I feel fresh. I'm growing bigger. Okay, I grew up because I got sunlight, water, air, and soil. Oh no! A worm! Someone save me! Phew! Thank you, little boy. Thank you, friends. I feel loved. I'm growing bigger and bigger into a strong apple tree. Hooray! Tree gives us food. Tree gives us shelter. Tree gives us oxygen. It is our responsibility to look after our trees. Save trees, save the planet.